Just waiting. Hey, we're out here just waiting for a boat. We gotta do another excursion. We're going, so it's per person, 200 pesos, so $10. Over there, water's warm. There, you know, we're waiting to get loaded. So yeah, we're gonna go over there to the reef to swim. Baby sleeping, just two of us. We're going private on this one, you know what I'm saying? We got boat, you know, like, you know what I'm saying? Oh, this is so nice. Yeah. You see it? Okay, we're going up. We're going up in Tulum. Good one. On a boat. Yeah, anywhere over here. Let's go. This guy came through. You were waiting for a minute. Yeah, get it on the boat. And shit, we out here on a boat, bro. We're fully on a boat. We're fully. The captain. El cap. You know, there's no laughs out here. Oh shit, eh? This is a tour right here. It was a cheap. Picture? Sit, babe. So we're at the part of the tour where we're gonna take pictures. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you said you want to split? Try Canadian.
So we're out here in the middle of the ocean. Smoky Kush. It's a beautiful life in Tulum. Yo, we reached a spot just now, still. You feel me? We're gonna go in there. Woo! Yeah. We're on the block already. You see me? Boom. Woo! I'm jumping in here. Super sweet. It's gonna be a super sweet experience. What else are we doing? What else are we doing? Okay, guys. Right now we are here snorkeling in Tulum. So we're gonna go for a dive. We got a boat for 200 pesos each. Babe, I saw a ray already. Holy shit, I already see a ray. Stop.
Go.
That is fucking crazy. amazing still. We saw with the rays, the fish, fish got killed. Yo, this Tulum beach tour, I recommend it. It was amazing. Yeah. That's where we're going, yeah. And then go to the beach and join. And yeah, so we already swam. Yo, I recommend it, bro, 100%. Paco tours. Oh, it is raining out here. This is real beautiful. I want to jump here and swim back to the shore. Yo, you want to come do this again? Like, worth the repeat.
Or I jump first.
No, yeah, don't let me. Wait. He's gonna oh shit. We're crashing. Crash landing. We're alive. Yeah, beautiful.
Está lloviendo.
Yo, today was a really nice day. We drove from Playa to Tulum, exchanged some money. You know, went to the ruins. The beach was closed. That was a letdown. Then we drove all of Tulum, all the way south, real south, all the way to the end. Then we came back up. Found this little beach club here. It was really good. 1,000 pesos for both of us for the day. We found a little tour for 200 pesos a person. We went, swam with the rays, all this fish in the reef, and then we saw a turtle. That was beautiful. We smoked. That was 200 pesos, so 1,500 pesos for a pretty decent day, plus a bottle of junk food and stuff. You know what I'm saying? So let's say like 1,600, 1,800 pesos, and you're out here living. You know what I'm saying? $100. Beautiful day. I'm gonna drive back to Playa. Muchas gracias. Cuídate. Pick up